Good day everyone and welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video I will show you how to set up the interval timer on this watch, Casio WS1600H, and it's going to be similar with this one, AE1300W. And not only that, I will show you how to use the interval timer on these two models as a Pomodoro Technique timer. So yes, we are going to use 4 Pomodoros or Pomodori. And the first one is 25 minutes working, 5 minutes break. The second one also the same, the third also the same, and then the fourth one, 25 minutes work and 30 minutes long break. Okay, let's start. Anyway, both of these models have the same menu, so the steps that I show you for this watch, WS1600H, will also apply to this one, so no problem with that. Let me put aside and start for this one. Okay, this is still in the timekeeping mode. We will move to the interval timer, and to do that we can press the mode button once, twice. Okay, this one is the preset timer, so not this one but this one, INT interval timer. Okay, and then let's start by adjusting the interval timer number 1 until number 8. So it actually has 9 interval timers, but we are going to use only 8. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left, and here we can see that we can move this one, the option, interval 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, or you can also go back with the right button. We will start with the interval 1, and then to adjust the time we can press the mode button. And now this is the minute. I will increase by pressing the start button to become 25. Wait. Okay, too much, so I can press this slide button to decrease, so 25. Okay, and then press the mode button again, and this is the second, but I'm not going to change. But if you want to change, then it's up to you, no problem. Okay, next I will press the mode button. It will show this one. This means that the timer or the set of interval timer will go one time or repeat. So for this case we will just use one time, not repeat. And then press again the mode button. We are moving to this one again, the option to select the interval. So interval 1, 25 minutes. Let's move to the interval 2. This one, interval 2, and then press the mode button, sorry, not the adjust but the mode button, and we have the minute now. I will increase to become 5. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Okay, and then again press the mode button again. The second I will just leave it as 0. Again, and then we will move to interval 3. Interval 3 also 25 minutes. Okay, press the mode button. Again, 25. Okay, next, press the mode button. This is the second. And then this one, let it just like this, do not change. And then again, interval 3. Okay, now I press the start button to move to the interval 4. Okay. Press the mode button. Now we can change the minute of the interval 4. It's going to be 5 minutes. Okay, and then again press the mode button. Okay, interval 4, now interval 5. Press the mode button. Okay, now we are in this one, the minute for the interval 5, which going to be the third Pomodoro, and I will set as 25. Okay, again press the mode button, the second, and then this one is the repeat or auto repeat for the whole interval timer, so we will just let it like this. Okay, next, interval 5, interval 6. Let me press this one, start button. Okay, now we are going to change this from 0 to become 5. Press the mode button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now press again the mode button, mode button, mode button. Okay, interval 6. Now let's go to the last Pomodoro, and that is interval 7. Okay, press the mode button. Now I will increase the start button. I will press the start button to increase, sorry. Okay, 25. And then press again the mode button. Again. Now we move to the interval 8, which is going to be the last interval for this one. This is going to be the long break, and I will press the mode button. And now let me set as 30. Okay, and then I press the mode button again. Okay, I can press this again, the start button, to show you the interval 9, and it's going to be 0. We are not going to input anything here, but if you want, you can maybe add another long break. It's up to you, but for me, I will just use 8 intervals. So yeah, interval 1 is 25 minutes of work, and then 5 minutes of break is for the interval 2, and that will be the first Pomodoro. Okay, the second one 25, interval 3 and 5, interval 4. The third one, interval 5, 25 minutes, and interval 6, 5 minutes. Okay, and then the last Pomodoro is 25 minutes of working at interval 7, and then 30 minutes of long break at interval 8. And then interval 9, we'll just set it as 0. So if it is 0, then the interval or the timer will not use this interval. It will skip. And yes, we have finished setting the interval timers on this watch to become a Pomodoro Technique timer. And to exit from this one, you can press the adjust button, okay? And then you can start by pressing the start button. And yeah, it will gives you 25 and 5, 25 and 5, 25 and 5, and the last one is 25 and 30 minutes of long break. Okay, that's all. I hope this video is easy to understand, and anyway, the same steps are also applicable to this one, AE1300W. So they have the same program, they have the same menu, and yes, I will not show you in this video, it will be too long. Okay, hopefully this video is useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye. You can use the start button to pause the timer like this, okay, and then press again to continue the countdown timer. And to reset the timer, you can press the start button. Okay, now it is paused, and then press the adjust button. So now it is reset, return to interval 1.